Came across more air conditioners, but all the rest of them are behind fences at this point. Although I hear something that sounds like a... Wait. Oh, it's that one. I don't know what that is. Looks like a temp star or something. Sounds like it has a Copeland reciprocating. And here's a... I believe this was a Ruud or something. With the... Wait. Oh wait, no, this has a Copeland scroll, but it's a really small one. And a Gentech motor. Oh, data's all the way over here. It's from 2018. Just heard something starting up over there. Wait a minute. Is this a train? Wait, no, it's a Ruud. Yeah, this is a Ruud from 2018. Oh, that unit back there sounds nice. 62,000. I don't really know how to read the BT one. Or Ruud either. This looks like a straight cool. I don't see any reversing valve. Oh, this unit sounds amazing. Can't tell if that's a Heil or a temp star. Yeah. The sun is going down, so I think I should head back soon.